Hi there, Lee Cole here. Before you do anything else, if you're on YouTube, look below this video. You'll see a big red subscribe button. Subscribe to my channel. There's more information, money-making information about offline marketing, local business consulting, video marketing, and tons of other stuff. I've been doing this stuff over 10 years professionally. There's more stuff on this channel for free than there is in 99%, maybe 100% of the info products on your hard drive right now. While I've got you here, I want to talk about topics for press releases. Now, this video is part of a whole playlist, so you'll want to look at the whole playlist. But press releases for your business, press releases for your client's business, whoever it is for, you've got to come up with some good topics. I mean, we said in a previous video that one of the most important things is to make your press release interesting. Now, it's going to be interesting to a limited audience, granted, but people interested in that particular business. But you want your press release to be interesting. You want people to find it and say, oh man, that's cool, or I didn't know that, or ooh, let me read that, right? That's really what you want to happen. So here are a few ideas for you, and then I'm going to show you a nifty piece of software that we developed to help ourselves, and later on we actually sold it to people to help them come up with topics. So this is like a great topic. Launching your business, your startup business. You just went, you literally just went into business, or you're going into business next month. Everything's set to go. What is the business, the name, where is it going to be, what is it doing? Great press release stuff. Number two, community involvement. You don't have to be a giant global corporation to have an impact on your community. A lot of small businesses give back to their communities, and that is really excellent press topics for press releases. Let's say you've been in business for a year or two. You're receiving a new round of investing. Great press release stuff. Number one, it just gets more people knowing about your business. Number two, you may want other investors in the future, and your press releases are going to help reach them, help them know about your business or learn about your business. Events you're holding. Are you holding an event in your city for people within your specific market area? Like an event with speakers or something like that. You doing anything like that? Whether it's big or small, it's great press release stuff. New products, changes in products, new hires, anything new, anything that's happening that's changing the business in some important way. It doesn't have to be earth-shattering, though, but in some important way. That's great topics for press releases. Now, I want to show you a little piece of software that we use to come up with killer topics for ourselves. This is a piece of software called Press Release Genie, and I'm not going to bore you by showing you the whole thing. It's part of a training package plus software product called Press Release Empire, and I will link to this page in the description below this video. And there's actually a video on this page right here where you can actually, it steps you through the whole thing. So it's going to be a little more detail on this video than I'm going to be here, because I'm cognizant of your time and I don't want you to get bored. But anyway, this is something that we use both within our own business and with clients to come up with topics. It's called our Topic Tickler. And basically what it is, it's a series of questions that we, if we're writing press release for our business, we'll go through here and ask ourselves these questions. Or if there are two of us, we'll just sort of bat them back and forth, kind of like a brainstorming session. If you're doing this for a client, you can just sit down with your client or get on Zoom or even on the phone or wherever and just start asking them questions. The whole goal here is to sort of unpack in their heads what's going on so that they say, oh, this would be a great idea for a press release. I'm not going to read you this whole thing, but questions like anything new going on, any accomplishments that need bragging about, any important changes, news about products. You can even, we even write press releases, and this is a really good thing when you're just stuck for a great idea for a press release. Write a press release about new topics in your market. Okay? Doesn't have to be about your business. It could just be your market. Any new market trends, market surveys, studies, polls, all of this stuff. All of this stuff makes for great press release material. It is going to be of interest to people who are to that larger group of people who could be interested in your business, either as investors or allied businesses or business partners or, you know, clients or customers, or even as employees, right? So we use this topic tickler. We come up with, we generally schedule press releases like for a year's worth of press releases. So generally I'll sit down with clients and come up with 12 topics so that we don't have to do this every month. I mean, that's really the way to do it. But again, you can use this for yourself. You can use it for clients. It works great. And it is part of a piece of software that actually helps you write really great press releases. So again, I'll put in the link to the sales page here for the training and the software, and you can look at that at your leisure. My name's Lee Cole. Thank you so much for looking at this video. Hope you learned something from it, and talk to you very, very soon.